What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, class is in session. Today, I want to talk to you guys about the correlation between Fed Powell and when he speaks, the impact it has on price action, okay? And so, in today's video, do me a favor. Please take some notes. Class will be in session, and I want you to, more importantly, off of the things we discussed today, I want you to be able to go out and apply them as early as tomorrow. Okay, now listen, take your time if you need to process this information, or just take some mental reps on what you see. But I want you guys to get in the habit of taking what you hear in these videos and then going out and applying them in your trading actions the next day. Okay, with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, class is in session, and as promised, we have the 30-minute chart pulled up. And listen, guys, today I'm going to go over a few things. I want to make sure I call your attention to some things I want you to start beginning to identify on your journey. Okay, again, we have the 30-minute chart up. This right here will be your 200-day, okay, EMA. All right, you want to understand what that is. This right here is a gap. Okay, now check this out. On tomorrow, because we have Fed Powell speaking, okay, you have the ability to see the market either go to the upside, and we're currently sitting at 119, 120 at the time of this recording, okay? So from here, a move up will take us, check this out, guys, 128, okay? That's what we will see if the market is agreeing when the message is done on tomorrow, we get done rallying, okay? However, if the market does not agree, if we sell off, if we have some type of crash, if he maintains his hawkish stance, guys, you can expect to see the stock come down to this level, which is closer to that 115, and that should offer a strong level of support. Okay, now check it out. This would be one of your more consistent levels of support at this level right here. Okay, if we lose 115, I want you guys to look right here. Okay, this gap fill will need to be filled. Okay, and so that's where this becomes significant at, is because the market either likes to retrace its steps, and so they'll come all the way down to this level, but they'll also overshoot just to make sure they fill this gap right here. Now that gap is closed. Okay, so that's something I want you guys to be on the lookout for. Let me clean this up a little bit just so you guys can continue to follow along. If we close the gap, okay, the closing the gap will be right here, then guys, we will come down to this level of 110. That will be your next level of support. And then if we lose that level for whatever reason, this will have to be a major sell-off. You guys see this level right here? This will be that 105 level. And so that's where you will get back in that range, okay? And so again, I want you guys to start to understand on larger time frames, you can begin to see these kinds of moves, okay? And with that being said, one thing I want you guys to know and understand is that you want to master every time frame, okay? From the 1 day, the 1 week, to the 4 hour, to the 1 hour, to the 30-minute, 15 minutes, down to the 1 minute, okay? All of them are telling you a story. All of the charts and all of the time intervals are giving you intel that again allows you to make more consistent, high quality decisions on your journey. Okay, you don't have to guess at this game. Okay, there's a lot of people that's trying to trade options, but they're gambling. Okay, I like to break this thing down in such a simplistic way that if you guys begin to respect the levels that we draw out or that we call out, okay, if you begin to master your entry, okay, if you start looking at trying to perfect things like that, you will see like, man, this thing isn't so bad. I don't have to have so much anxiety. I'm able to make money every day and hit our $100 a day goal on this journey, okay? Matter of fact, check this out. When you have, let me just show you guys this in terms of an entry. Okay, you guys see where this 115 is at. Okay, if this play was to pull back, one entry level would be 115.87. Now you might not time it to a T, so you may say somewhere around here you may be looking for a bounce. So the stock may come down, 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 hit this level, and then begin to bounce back up. Okay, this would serve as an entry level for you to potentially consider. People often ask me, Chris, where do I buy my stocks at? It's right in front of you every single day. Okay, if you begin to look at these lines and see if they're holding up, okay, if it was to bounce off 119, that could be a potential entry. If we lose that level, this could be a potential entry. And if we lose that level, okay, now you know you need to short the market and play it to the downside because you didn't get a bounce in this range. Okay, again, guys, these are little things that you can do on your journey to do better at getting in and out, buying when you need to versus buying randomly. Okay, and then hoping things go in your favor. All right, but this requires you to, again, look across the landscape from the 1 week, the 1 day, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, 30 minutes, the 15 minute, to see what is all going on. You need to see how you can piece all the moving parts together. Okay, and then from there, guys, you will be able to see, you know what, I see this happening on the shorter time frames, but on the larger time frame, we still have this going on. Okay, and you start putting that stuff together, guys, and before you know it, you start making high quality decisions on your journey. Okay, so listen, man, I just want to put that on you guys because, again, tomorrow Fed Powell speaks at 9 a.m. So that is before market open. So the move may be made by the time the bell rings. Okay, but then you want to let the news be digested so you can see whether or not the market is going up, meaning did they favor his message or did they disagree with his message, and the market will be then going to the downside. Okay, and so we don't guess, we don't gamble, we react. And tomorrow will be a day that you will need to react more than anything. Okay, don't try to front run anything. Don't try to, man, I think this gonna go up. Oh, I think every time Fed Powell speaks, the market go down, so it's gonna go down. Don't do any of that. Get confirmation, receive confirmation, see it, react to it, and then play it. Okay, be ready to execute, be ready to take the shot. That's what it comes down to. Okay, so listen, guys, class was in session on the day. Just wanted to show you a quick lesson on a 30-minute chart, not only where your entries will be at, but also where levels of support may be after his message on tomorrow. Okay, take all of this, guys, into account. Use it, dissect it, watch this video 2 or 3 times if you need to go over the teaching in the charts. Okay, and then more importantly, do me a favor, go out tomorrow. If you don't actually do it live, take some mental reps and see, man, does that 115 level get touched on tomorrow? Does that 128 level get tested? If not tomorrow, but just on the next time we rally up. Man, the teaching showed us both of those things were in play. Okay, and then from there, guys, you put it all together, and then you again allow the market to dictate what you do, meaning the trend is your friend. So if we having an up day, then you know the levels now to the upper range of that upward move we looking to go. If we have a down day, you've seen us come all the way down to 101, but stocks don't go down in a straight line. Before they get to 101, it got to stop and holler at 115. Then it got to stop and holler at 112. Then it got to stop and holler at 110, 108, 104. Okay, it's levels, and you got to learn to play the game level to level. It's a lot of money in between those levels, and that's what I'm trying to get you guys to understand and master. You don't have to hold for the whole move. If you look at every play I show you guys daily, you should see, oh, Chris isn't holding long. He only had a 10 handle on that play. He only had a 5 handle on that play, because the money is in the charts. And a lot of those green candles are $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 moves. And it's just a simple move. It's not holding it all day. I don't ever trade all day. I trade for a few minutes a day and make thousands of dollars a day. Okay, it's possible. We come on here and try to teach and show every single day. If you like and subscribe, guys, make sure you do that. Make sure your bell notifications is on so you can follow the journey. With that being said, guys, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.